happy Friday. So, ayan si Mr. Kakauwi lang dyan kagabi. And of course, today is Friday and it is our grocery shopping day. It's 3:12 p.m. So, medyo late na. Punta kami ngayon ng Walmart. Pero, pumunta muna kami ng KFC. Yan, para late lunch. Kasi nagugutom ako. Pero siya hindi siya nagugutom. For sure, si Zayda nagugutom yan. So, ayun. Yun lang naman ang aming gagawin today. And sobrang init ngayon. It's 31 degrees Celsius. So, napakainit. Kaya si Zelda super cranky niya kasi hindi niya gusto pagamin. Jimmy Gayon. Pagaya ng dati, dito muna kami sa parking lot kasi pipili na ng... Are you gonna order it online or just... You're just going to choose?
Getting my thoughts oriented.
So anyway, ayan, pipili na kami ng aming pagkain. Kami ni Zeta, KFC, si Mr. sa favorite niyang Taco Bell. Tapos next week, will be next week sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong mangyayari next week. It's a very important day for me. Surprise. Zeta, look at her eyes. Yung mata ni Zeta, pa din siya, maga pa din siya. Pero pagka check namin, wala naman na yung yung parang
Okay.
doon, yung parang nana sa loob, unlike before. Pero maga pa rin siya. Sabi ng doktor, pagka daw June na at ganun pa rin, kailangan sabihin sa kanya, we have to tell the doctor. That's what he said, that it's the month of June and it's still the same.
Bad, I mean, what the hell? Sure, tell him.
I haven't talked to him.
And remind him what he
I'm
said.
so annoyed at that doctor.
Well, doctors
Nairita ako dun sa doktor na yun nung nakaraan. Kasi may hinihingi ako sa kanyang contact information. Sabi nila, in-upload na daw nila dun sa portal ni Zelda. Sabi ko, hindi pa nga ako nakakagawa ng portal ni Zelda kasi wala na akong available na email address. Tsaka busy ako. Kung pwedeng i-forward na lang nila sa akin. Tapos pinipilit akong gumawa ng portal, gumawa ng ibang email address. So, ang sinabi ko, ako na lang maghahanap ng number. So, yun, nahanap ko yung number. Ganda nung nila, flowers. Lavender, rose, and we don't know what the yellow one is. Marigold. Marigold pa yun. It's not marigold. There are two kinds of yellow. That one. Ang ganda nung lavender.
Zelda is getting anxious.
Plant lavender. Our garden.
I know, baby.
Wait lang, si Zelda, ang karambing niya talaga nito mga nakaraang araw. Naghinipin din kasi siya. Yung ngipin niya sa taas, nagsabay-sabay 5. Tapos ngayon, tumutubo sa baba, 3 naman. Sabay-sabay siya. I think I have straw here. Extra. Not so.
We should buy straw. You need it all.
A cranky baby. I'm a cranky baby. Say hello. 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 Medyo mali-mali yung kanilang binigay sa amin. How are you gonna eat? Hi. Ito na tayo sa Walmart, guys. Yan si Zelda. Zera. Dito ulit tayo sa may toy section. Meron kaming gustong bilhin kaso parang out of stock sila. Since last week, wala pa din. Zelda, what toy do you want? How about ate? What do you want? You tell Dada. What? Kuha tayo ng dishwashing soap. Kumuha na rin kami ng laundry detergent soap. Gaga, you got your toy. That's too much. They're
This
just
one's
going to
only
lose
10.
that.
You could squirt water out of it.
I don't like that. So, dito tayo sa may diaper section, guys. Kuha tayo ng diapers para kay baby Zelda. Pero yung maliit lang kasi marami pa siyang diaper doon. sparkling water. Zelda, say hi. Hi. Good. Good, good. Ito ulit tayo sa may bread section. Hi. Bless you. Of course, hindi mawawala ang Madeline. So, ito pa lang ang aming pinamili for now. Konti pa lang. Yun. Zelda. Si Zelda talaga super cranky dahil nga mainit. Kahit naka-air conditioner yung sa bahay, nainitan pa rin siya. Kasi naman pag full blast naman namin, kami naman ni Zeta ang malalamigan. Iba talaga ang body temperature pagka bata pa. Parang nasa Pilipinas na ang weather ngayon, sobrang init. Yeah, I like the small one. Ang hirap kasi naman kainin nitong ang lalaki. Sayang lang, hindi naman namin nauubos. Tayong carrots, green beans, bread. Zeta, come here. Zeta. Bubblegum wine, the bubblegum pool, pool. Snap, snap, snap. Point to the ceiling. Clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling. Point to the floor.
Oh, man.
Ha? Yeah. Ay, avocado for... What is tomato? How about that? We gotta get some grapes and strawberries.
Quick answer for this.
And then na kami mamili sa Walmart, guys. Ang init-init pa
Bye-bye,
din.
Walmart.
Bye-bye,
Wait,
Walmart. No, she's gonna fall. Are you gonna do Zeta?
Okay.
Zelda? Ha? Ano? Let's give this to Zelda. Zelda, you want some data book? Zelda, data book. Data book. Get the data book. Nag-worry ako dito kay Zelda pag uwi namin sa Pilipinas, baka sobrang manibago siya dahil syempre hindi naman siya doon pinanganak unlike kay Zeta. Ngayon pa nga lang, di ba, dito super cranky na siya. Paano pagka nandoon? Pero baka naman mabago kasi more than 1 year old na siya pag uwi namin. Next month, grabe, sobrang bilis ng panahon, 1 year old na siya. Pero ang hirap pa rin talaga. Ang hirap kasi nagbago yung temperature, sobrang init, parang Philippine weather na. And yun, nag-a-adjust pa siya.
Wait, I'm gonna pour yours into this ice.
Hmm?
I'm gonna drink all this. And then pour yours into the ice.
The taste will be weird.
Is that hot?
No, it's not really hot. How much did you pay? Nagpunta kasi kami ng CR ni Zeta. How much?
$2.50.
Ooh! Are you happy about that? It's been a while since we spent less than $300. So yan, $250 yung nagastos namin for the week. Why? Is that?
I didn't buy any meat.
Dito na kami sa bahay, guys, and nakauwi na kami from Walmart. It's parang magsi 6 PM na, pero syempre maliwanag pa rin sa labas dahil nga summer na. Start na ba ng summer? I think so. Dahil naman sa sobrang init na yan pag hindi pa naman summer yan talaga. Zelda. So ito si Zelda. Nag-take siya ng short nap sa sa car seat niya kanina. So ayan siya. What are you doing? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Where's ate? Are you gonna play with ate? Zelda. Tingnan nyo si Zelda. Ine-explore ang slide. Go, go, go. Gusto niya ko, oops. Gusto niya ko nito. Oh no. It fell again. Careful. You be careful. You be careful. Oops. Oh no, what happened? Oh no. Inaakyat niya tong ano. Inaakyat niya tong slide. Walang takot to si Zelda. Oops. Say bubblegum. Zelda, say bubblegum. Bubblegum.
Bubble. Sunny.
How about this one?
Rainbow. Sunny. Windy.
Correct. How about this one?
Cookie. Sunny.
Correct. How about this one?
Cloudy.
Correct. How about this one?
Correct.
What is that?
Correct.
You haven't said it yet. What is this?